The quadcopter, pronounced Staaker, claims to be the world's first artificially intelligent auto-follow drone capable of not only tracking your moves, but can predict what you'll do next, too. And Staaker can do that while flying at up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kph. Basically, you strap on a waterproof tracker controller, unfold the drone's arms, attach a GoPro Hero 3 or Hero 4 to its 3-axis gimbal in front, launch it and have it follow you while you surf or ski or whatever. The company says the drone will have 5 different follow modes so you can position it at any angle and adjust its distance from you. Though, from what I can tell, these modes don't appear to be too different than what you can do with a DJI Phantom 4, unique Typhoon H or, to some extent, the AirDog. In fact, the Staaker looks and sounds awfully similar to the AirDog minus the Staaker's promised AI features and the performance differences listed in the chart above. The AirDog does have programmed modes for different sports such as surfing, mountain biking and wakeboarding, however, and it's available now for $1,599 on Amazon, roughly $2,100 or £1,200. Pre-orders for the Staaker are set at $1,195 for the drone, waterproof tracker and a travel case, though it won't ship until December, assuming there are no production problems, of course. When it ships, the company says it'll be priced at $1,795. That converts to about $2,382 or £1,235 for the pre-order, and like the AirDog, that price doesn't include the GoPro camera. GoPro's own Karma drone is also expected this fall. With no pricing and no real details on it yet, there's no telling if the Karma will have similar auto-follow features to the Staaker. However, I'd be surprised if it doesn't.